Hello. Hi.
Alright, this is...
Oh, do you guys like my voice?
Alright, this is a video... Stop! This is a video about our friend Kendall. And she wanted a video about us, which is a hoax thing. Wait. And she is the next chewbaccah. I was running from her the other day. She was at my party and like I launched her over that. She scared me so much. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
That's
Oh,
crazy.
we're doing it again.
Back it up. No, you gotta put it over here.
Alright, I'll put it on. Yeah.
That was brought to you by this
Why are we
set.
green?
We're green. Okay. What the hell? What the hell? Look it up, look it up. See, I cleared it up. Brittany, you just messed it up again. What?
Okay.
Hey,
I bet you that wasn't even him. Why are we still green? Oh wow. Okay.
Right, well, we're
Okay.
green
And
because we're
the
running in the
hall.
forest from Kendall. Oh my god, she scared me so much, but I love her.
It's crazy.
It was like nuts. Dude, she was like chasing me in the forest, and then, oh, we're not green anymore. I kicked her off my bed just for my cookies. She had to eat them. What kind of deal is that? No. This is what Kendall was doing when she called me. Oh my god, isn't it scary?
I want to like die.
I know, me too. I was so afraid of her, dude. That's nuts. She was
Yeah.
calling me. It was my voicemail. Oh my god. And then I was running from her, and it was a explosion out of nowhere, dude. It's like, what the heck? And then I needed help, so I called Dr. Phil, and this is what he said.
Breaks of all. This break is called the electro. Now I'm going to show you how to make one of the most effective breaks of all. This break is called the Electro Funk Daddy Superstar break. Now, for this, you'll need that's an 808 clap, and also
This
a
is what
bit
Dr. Phil
of
told me
dry
to do.
snare. Then you'll also need some, that's a 909 clap snare, and then of course some, that's a kick, and then that's some bass, and some, and for good measure, that's the synth. Oh,
He's
and
teaching
no
me how to
break,
bake
of course,
a cake,
will be
and he told me
completely
that
without a bit of a shuffle.
it'd be
So
better
for
for
this, we're
Kendall.
using
It's
some household white noise. You can get this from your TV. I got mine from Sainsbury's. Now,
I don't know what to do.
you have to make
Guys,
sure
she's
you
my
filter
best-
down some of
she's
the
one of our
other
best
frequencies,
friends.
otherwise your
And
white
she's
noise
gonna,
will sound very
this
much
is
like
not
this.
gonna happen.
You don't want that. You want a much more tinny sound with a bit of rhythm to it. So let's
A
see
more
if we can
tinny
sound.
sound.
Filter it out. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Who'd have thought, eh? Now, let's give it a spin and see if it's got any
A
rhythm.
spin. And then the fat guy said, "Is this a star?" Let's do our beat, ready? Alright, stop. Here's your minute. Alright. Well, Kendall, we love you. We
No,
love
I
you.
don't.
I
hate
do.
her. Hate her. Just
We
kidding.
I love
no,
you.
I love her.
Oh, yeah, judge. Well, we love you, and, well, I love you more, but like, there's a wall here. And I just wanted to tell you, I hope, I'm stuck in a box. I hope that you get over your Chewbacca stage
Yeah.
of life.
Do you like my scarf?
We understand that,
You knitted it yourself.
no, we understand. show your toe. Your toe hair. We understand that your toe hair. We understand that your toe hair is hairy, and that's why we call you Chewbacca. Love you. I love you more.